Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the CMF by Nothing Buds, a pair of stylish budget earbuds that promise more than meets the eye. I've spent the past week putting these buds through their paces, so let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The CMF buds come in a sleek, minimalist case that's both lightweight and eye-catching. It's not wireless charging, but it's compact and easy to carry around. The buds themselves fit snugly in your ears with various silicone ear tips included for a customizable fit. Now, onto the features. Despite their low price point, these buds pack quite a punch. They boast dual device connectivity, which is a handy feature for switching between devices seamlessly. There's also an accompanying app that allows you to tweak settings like the equalizer and ANC. Let's get to the heart of the matter: sound quality. The CMF buds offer a decent audio experience for the price. While they won't blow you away with bass-heavy tracks, they handle podcasts and casual music listening quite well. The soundstage feels a bit narrow, but voices come through crisp and clear. Now, let's talk about active noise cancellation. It's there, but it's not the strongest. It does a fair job of dampening background noise, which is commendable at this price range. Battery life, however, is a strong suit. With up to 35.5 hours via the charging case, you won't be running out of juice anytime soon. So, what's the verdict? The CMF by Nothing buds are a great budget option. If you're looking for something stylish and functional without breaking the bank. They excel in design and battery life, but the ANC and sound quality leave a bit to be desired for audiophiles. In conclusion, if you're on a tight budget and need reliable wireless earbuds for everyday use, the CMF by Nothing buds are worth considering. They may not compete with higher-end models, but they offer a lot for their price tag. That's all for today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.